Well, flu season is upon us. Health officials in Georgia are predicting a rise in cases following the pandemic.
Angela Kim has tips on fighting the flu.
Flu is the most unpredictable virus that we deal with, and each flu season is different.
After 2 years of living with low flu numbers during the pandemic, Georgia Department of Public Health PIO Logan Boss says case numbers could ramp up this year.
We do believe that it was probably because of all the various prevention protocols that people were following for COVID, distancing and mask and covering coughs and sneezing, that sort of stuff.
Boss says right now the health department creates flu predictions by tracking numbers in countries to the west, and cases are already high in areas like New Zealand and Australia.
On our 1 to 13, with 13 being the worst scale for influenza, we are already at an 8.
Boss says the best way to be prepared is by getting a flu shot.
Research shows that only about 50% of U.S. adults plan to get a flu shot this year. That's disconcerting news.
He says this year's flu shot will protect against 4 different strains and will especially help those most vulnerable: children under 5, adults 65 or older, and individuals with health conditions.
If you go to your pharmacist or your primary health care physician or to your local county health department, all of which in Northwest Georgia are offering flu vaccine, by the way, ask, hey, do you have one of those special senior high dose flu vaccines for me?
And he is reminding people to remember an extra shot that may be needed this year: your COVID booster.
Otherwise, if they skip it, they're unlikely to go back to get the other. So you can ask to get both the flu shot and the COVID vaccine at the same time. You can get them in 2 different arms to minimize the soreness.
Reporting in Northwest Georgia, Angela Kim, Local 3 News.